Well, hello, and welcome to this exercise on standard form, ratio, and scale modeling. Now, this is an iGCSE or GCSE higher tier type question, and it's also suitable for the top end of the foundation tier. Okay, now it says a student has modeled the sun and the planet Jupiter. Now, he wants to hang these in the school hall with a gap of 16 meters. Now, the unit here is important. With a gap of 60 meters between his two models. Now, the real distance between the Sun and the planet Jupiter is 8 times 10 to the power 8 kilometers. Again, watch the unit here. It says, work out the scale the students should use, giving your answer in the form 1 to n. Okay, now firstly, we need to change, or we need to make the units the same. So it's easier to change the kilometers to meters. So what we then do is we say 8 times 10 to the power 8 times 1,000 meters, because there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. And of course, you can write 1,000 as 10 to the power 3. So we then end up that the actual distance between the Sun and the planet Jupiter is 8 times 10 to the power 11, because when you multiply, you add indices, so you add 8 to 3. The 3 coming from 10 to the power 3. So we can write this as 10 to the power 3 there. Okay, so the actual distance between the Sun and Jupiter is now 8 times 10 to the power 11 meters. Now we want to express our answer in the form 1 to n there. So what we then do is to divide 8 times 10 to the power 11 by 16. And if you divide 8 by 16, you get a half. And a half is the same as 0.5. Excuse me. Right. Now we can change 0.5 to 5 times 10 to the power minus 1. Again, as before, and because we're multiplying, we can add the indices. So minus 1 plus 11 will give us 10. So that then becomes 5 times 10 to the power 10. So to express our answer in the form 1 to n, we then have 1 to 5 times 10 to the power 10. Now let's check. Now, 5 times 10 to the power 10 is in meters. So, and that represents 1 meter in the school hall. Right, so if we then do 5 times 10 to the power 10 times 16, which is the distance available to us in the school hall, times 10 to the power minus 3, because we need to change 16 meters back to kilometers. So that becomes 5 times 10 to the power 10 times 16 times 10 to the power minus 3. Again, because we are dealing with indices here, we add the 10 to minus 3, and that gives us 10 to the power 7. So we then have 80 times 10 to the power 7. Now we can express 80 as 8 times 10 to the power 1, that is. And again, because we are multiplying, we add the indices, so that then becomes 8 to 10 to the power 8. And that's what we got there. So these two actually do tally. Now, I hope all that made some sense, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye now.